Cork surfaces compliance events continuously. A device shows up missing its EDR, a mailbox is discovered with an insecure forwarding rule, etc. The question is what happens next? For most MSPs, the answer should be a ticket on the right board without anyone copying and pasting. And that's exactly what Cork's PSA Ticketing integration does. Once your PSA is connected, you can decide when Cork opens a ticket. You can group at 3 levels: 1 ticket per client, per asset, or per individual event. Per client keeps the queue quiet and rolls everything up. Per event gives your techs a one-on-one work item. Most partners land somewhere in between. Then you choose who this applies to: all clients, only clients with financial protection, or a subset of clients. If you're piloting with a few accounts before rolling out, that's typically what you would choose. Cork reads your PSA schema, so the fields you're mapping here are your fields: the board, the priority, impact, etc. Set them once, and every Cork-generated ticket lands where your techs already work. No separate queue to remember to check. And the link runs in both directions. When the underlying compliance event resolves, let's say the EDR gets deployed to that endpoint, the forwarding rule is removed, Cork closes that ticket it opened. Your board reflects real posture instead of accumulating stale work. Compliance events in, tickets out, closed on resolution. That's the full life cycle.